my channel. It's me, Catherine, and in today's video I had to hop in really quick to share with you guys the deets on this hair that I currently have in right now. Honestly, I had no plans on filming this video at all, but this hair is just that bomb. I had to come hop in and share with you guys all the info on this hair for my girls who love to budget and look good at the same time. So if you guys are interested, then of course continue watching this video. Okay guys, so like I mentioned, I did not plan on filming this hair review at all, but I just had to come and share with y'all how bomb this hair is, y'all. This is so bomb, and I actually got it from my local beauty supply store. I know I used to always bring you guys like affordable hair reviews from brands that I found in my local beauty supply store, and I stopped for a minute, even though I still rock my beauty supply store hair whenever I feel like it. And this is just some hair that I found a week ago, and I am so in love. So I don't have the packaging or anything anymore because, like I said, I did not plan on filming this video, but I did go ahead and pull up the hair so I can read to you guys what this is. So the Model Master Mix Yaky Straight 4-piece bundle. It comes with a 16, 18, 20 inch, and also it does come with the closure. I explain to you guys all the time, I don't use closures. I'm just more into like the natural look. And like I said, y'all, this did come from my local beauty supply store, and this hair was only $25. This is a quick weave that I have in right now. There is synthetic hair, but it's like a mixture of like some human, but it's not 100% human hair. And y'all, I installed this hair a week ago, and it is still so very flawless. So I did install all of the 20 inch, 18 inch, and I believe a little of the 16 inch. And of course, like I said, this hair is not human hair, so you do automatically know it is going to tangle, it is going to shed some, but honestly I have not had a lot of shedding at all, y'all, like at all. I do get some tangles here and there, but like I said, I am really good at maintaining cheap hair, so I know to take care of it pretty much. I know how to wrap it up at night so it won't be bad when I wake up in the morning. But y'all, I just had to hop in and share with y'all some bomb affordable hair. If y'all love affordable hair, if you don't keep weaving a long time, there's no need to go out and spend a whole lot of money to look good, because you can definitely look good and not pay a big penny. Like I said, this hair was $25, and I did look at some prices online that you may be able to even find it for $20. I've had this hair in for a week. I absolutely love it. It straightens perfectly. I'm not exactly sure if it does hold a curl, but like if you want it to be bone straight, it does straighten so good, as y'all can see. Like I said, this is a 16, 18, 20 inch, and it is pretty long because I'm short anyway. I'm 5'2" or 5'3". I believe I'm 5'3" the last time I checked. But y'all, this hair is so bomb. So of course I want to come share with y'all. I know this video was super quick. I also took some pictures of how the hair looked when I first installed it. If y'all follow me on Instagram, I did post some pictures on there. And this is the same hair a week later, and I am still in love. I don't know exactly how long I'm going to keep this hair in. I may even take it out tomorrow, only because, like I said, I don't like keeping a style in for a very long time. I like to switch up my hair a lot. So that's why I prefer to get my hair from the beauty supply store, because it's affordable, since I'm not going to keep the hair in for a long time. For my quick weaves, I normally keep it in for maybe a week or two at the most. But I've had this hair in for a week, and I feel like I want to do something else with it. So I may take this hair out tomorrow. I'm not sure. I may even try to go another week. If I do, I will let y'all know down in the comment section. But yeah, guys, this hair is so bomb that I had to come show y'all real quick. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions that I did not answer, if you have anything you want to ask me about this hair, down in the comment section, of course, leave them down in the comment section. Y'all know I always reply back to y'all. And I will also link this hair down in the comment section. This hair was not gifted to me. Of course, it was only $25. I bought this hair with my own money. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Of course, if you did, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.